So yeah, I bought this master dimple lock, and as you can see, I managed to get it open. It has a tight keyway, so I had to modify one of these dimple picks, curved flags. I basically just snipped the tip off of it, so you can see it is now just a little bit basically like a flag without the tip. So yeah, I got this open for the first time now, and I bought this new vise with ball joint here, so I can basically if I open it a little bit more, turn the lock any way I want, and it was only 18 euros, about $20, so it wasn't that bad of a deal from eBay. And yeah, this master was 15 euros, 15.95 if I remember correctly. So yeah, nice little lock, and the bidding is actually pretty good. As you can see, there is low, high, low, high, high. So yeah, so let me demonstrate this. You can see I basically destroyed the insides of this lock a little bit with my rough techniques. So yeah, let's open this vise a little bit, and let's see if I can manage to close it with this camera in my hand. Yeah, it has these rubber shields on the jaws of the vise, but this was already cracked. So yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with that. Maybe I just leave it as it is. So yeah, I show you this lock works. So yeah, this is the bidding, and I got it open, and it is key retaining, so you can't take it. So yeah, I have to make a big video next of this lock. So yeah, this is the abus I opened it, and this alloy I opened. I basically just tested this vise I bought, and I can recommend this. This is actually quite good. It is aluminium, and aluminium or aluminum, like you Yankees like to call it. So yeah, or should I say Americans call it aluminum. So yeah, but it is aluminium, and this was master dimple lock, and I got it open. It was actually pretty difficult, but yeah, hit the like button if you like this video, and hit the subscribe button if you really like this video. Bye.